Hello everyone, welcome back to the course Autodesk Fusion 360 for beginners. And in this lesson, we are going to design a flanged elbow. And to design it, we have to apply some features such as swap and some pattern tools. So to start, we'll start by setting the type of design as usual, and we select hybrid design and create new. Now we'll set the view, and we'll start by setting front view, and we'll go to the toolbar and select create sketch, and now we just need to select that view. So to start, we'll be using centered diameter cycle, and we can start in the origin and set as 20, and then we can click OK, and again we can set 18 starting from the origin and set 18, and then we can click OK. Now we can finish the sketch. Now we just need to set the right view in this case. So we select right view, and then we'll go to the toolbar and select create a sketch. Now we just need to set that view. So we'll go to the toolbar again and select line tool, and we just need to set from the region and set as 75, and then we can click OK. Now again we'll go to the toolbar and select line tool, and we'll start from the end point and set as 50, and then we can click OK. Now we'll go to the toolbar again and this time set fillet, and now just apply in this corner, and we can set as 15, and then we can click OK. Now we can finish the sketch. So now we just need to apply swap. So we'll go to the toolbar and set create, and scroll down until we find swap, and now we just need to select the profile. In this case, we'll select this outer part as the profile, and the path, we select it, and we just need to select this line. This is our path in this case. So we'll see that that profile went in that path in this case. Now we can click OK. Now we want to create a sketch in this small part in this case, in this part. So we'll select it, and then we're going to toolbar and select create a sketch. So now again we'll go to the toolbar and select center diameter cycle, and we'll start in the origin and set a dimension of 50, and then we can click OK. And now we'll go again in the toolbar, and at this time again set the center diameter and start from the origin and set 40, but make sure that you change the line type to construction line in our sketch palette. So line type will change to construction line, and then we can click OK. Now we'll go to the toolbar again and set the center diameter again and change line type to normal one again, and then we'll start from here. In this case, this point must be aligned with the region, and we can set as 6, and then we can click OK. Now we'll create the cycle pattern. So we'll go into toolbar and select create, and scroll down until we find circular pattern, and then we can click it, and now we just need to select this cycle that we've created, and we'll see that we need to set also a center point. So we'll select it, and our center point in this case is this one. So we can select it, and then we'll see that we are able to create another cycle. That's circular pattern in this case. We can move it to put them in this case. We'll see that they are increasing. Now it's 5, and now it is 6, and that's what we want. Or if you don't want to move it with your mouse, you can go directly to quantity, and you'll see that we can decrease and also we can increase it. And then we can click OK, and then we can finish the sketch. So now we want to extrude it. So we go to the toolbar and select extrude and select this shape that we want to extrude in this case. We want to extrude it just to 5. And then we can click OK. Now we want to create another sketch, but this time in this part. So we'll select it. Make sure that you select this part. We'll select it, and then we'll go into toolbar and select create a sketch. That's where we want to create a sketch. So now we'll go to the toolbar and set the point to rectangle, and we can start randomly, for example from here, and we can set the height as 50, and now we want to also set the width, and we can click in our keyword in tab to be able to sketch also the width, and we can set as 50 as well, and then we can click OK. Now we just need to sketch the dimension. So we go to the toolbar and select sketch dimension, but before we just want to select this part in this case, and also the cycle to sketch the dimension. And here you'll see that's 22, we want 25. So we'll click it once and set 25, and then we want to click OK. Now from this point also to this line. So select this line and this cycle, and you'll see that's 32, and we also want 25. You can set 25, and then we can click OK. Now we'll go to the toolbar again and set at this time center diameter, and we can start from a random point and set as 6, and then we can click OK. And now we can sketch the dimension. We'll go to toolbar and sketch dimension, and we'll start from this line to this cycle, and we can set as 5, and then you can click OK. And also from this point, in this case in the vertical point, and to the cycle, and you'll see that's already 5. And if yours is not, you can sketch dimension and set 5, and then click OK. Now we'll use another tool, which is rectangular pattern. So you can select rectangular pattern, and then we need to set the object first. So select this cycle that we've created as our object, and now we also want to set the directions. So we'll select it, and then we can move our arrow to the right is -40, and we also want to change the quantity to 2 in this direction in this case. And now we want to also move this arrow to the vertical direction is 40, and we also want to change the quantity to 2. In this case there are 2 this direction and also in this direction as well. Now we can click OK, and we can finish the sketch. So now we want to extrude it. So we're going to toolbar and select extrude, and we just want to select this part to extrude it in this case, and we can extrude it downwards in this case, that's to -5, and then we can click OK. So that's how we use swap and also some pattern tools in Fusion 360. I hope that this lesson helped you so far. Thank you all for being here until now, and I hope to see you all in the next lesson. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any upcoming lesson. Thank you all, and peace.